I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by turning on your Android hotspot and naming it. This is how your Ps5 will find the network. Make sure you set a secure WPA2/WPA3 password and disable battery or data savers, because those can drop tethering. Once done, verify your mobile data plan and signal. You want a stable LTE/5G feed. If your phone offers 5 GHz, choose it for lower latency and higher throughput. But note range is shorter versus 4 GHz. You'll move to the Ps5 and open settings, then network, then set up internet connection. Choose Wi-Fi and locate your hotspot SSID. Enter the password exactly as typed on your phone. Once connected, the Ps5 will attempt to get an IP. Use automatic IP and DHCP unless you need a specific DNS for routing. If connection struggles, try switching the phone's hotspot band between 4 and 5 GHz. One often works better depending on interference and distance. Once the Ps5 shows connected, run the network test to check NAT type, latency, and download/upload speeds. This tells you if gaming is viable. Update the Ps5 and sign into PlayStation Network, then test a game or download a small file. If performance is poor, close other mobile apps using data. For best stability, consider USB tethering or a pocket router. If things go wrong, restart both devices, try the other Wi-Fi band, and check the phone's hotspot client limit or AP isolation setting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.